Today I will show you how to create this elegant black and gold textured abstract artwork using simple tools and texture paste. Welcome everyone. Start by covering the whole canvas with texture paste. You can use any texture paste, or if you want to know how I make my texture paste, I will link the video in the description. Make sure to mix the base thoroughly. Using a palette knife, pull the paste outward from one focal point to create this flowing, radiating lines. Keep the movement organic, imperfections, and character. Allow the textured lines to dry fully before moving ahead. Once dry, apply a thin layer of black acrylic paint over the textured surface. This enhances depth and defines the raised lines. Now, using texture paste mixed with a little white acrylic paint, create small raised dots on the surface. I am using a piping bag. You can also use the back of a brush or dotting tool for even dots. As you can see, some dots are bigger and some small. To create like a cluster, more dense in the center and scatter them outward to create a sense of energy and flow. Let these white textured dots dry fully. This step is important before adding metallic paint. Once dry, gently paint over the raised white dots using gold acrylic paint. Because the base is white and textured, the gold appears brighter and more dimensional. Add a few subtle gold highlights along the textured lines if needed. Step back and balance the composition. Avoid overdoing the gold. And that's it. Your modern black and gold textured artwork is complete. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe for more art tutorials. Until then, take care.